Bonjour, my friends. I'm Frankie, and welcome to Club Foodie. Casseroles are always a favorite, especially when it comes to vegetables. There are so many recipes to choose from, like caponata, vegetable tian, loaded potato casserole, and more, including this one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my green bean, mushroom, and almond casserole. This recipe is so delectable. With a gorgeous mix of vegetables, this side is absolutely perfect for your proteins. So let's get cooking. First, we'll have to blanch the green beans. I won't show you how because there's already a tutorial on the topic. If you missed it, click on the top right corner of your screen. After draining them well, we'll pat them dry and set aside. Now, in a large skillet over medium heat, we'll add butter, followed by olive oil. When it starts to sizzle, we'll add our white onions, season lightly with ground sea salt, and saute them for only 1 minute. To this, we'll add red peppers. They're colorful, plus they'll give some sweetness to the dish. We'll saute everything for 1 minute as well before adding mushrooms. We'll combine them nicely with the other ingredients and then season with freshly ground black pepper. We'll mix again until the mushroom slices are coated with the fat. Place the lid on and let it simmer for 2 minutes. A couple minutes later, we'll remove the lid, stir the veggies, and leave it like this for 45 to 60 seconds so the liquid can mostly evaporate. See? That's pretty good. So now, we'll add pressed garlic and quickly saute it for 1 minute. Next, we'll pour in heavy cream and also chicken broth. Then add some cheddar cheese. It has to be cheese in a casserole. Come on now. We'll also add herbe de Provence, and you can make this blend by clicking on the top right corner of your screen. And some hot paprika. It seems like a lot, but it won't be spicy. Trust me. We'll blend the ingredients well and bring the mixture to a simmer. When it gets there, we'll stir in the slivered almonds that have been toasted before pouring in the cornstarch mixture, and then stir until the sauce thickens, which should take no longer than 45 seconds. I'm not kidding, it's that fast. Next, we'll add our blanched green beans. Look how vibrant the color is. And blend them into the mixture, making sure they're nicely coated before removing from the heat. We'll carefully transfer the mixture into a 3-quart baking dish that has been greased with cooking spray. We'll spread it out evenly, especially the green beans, so we don't end up with a bunch on one side. Next, it's the topping. So here's some panko breadcrumbs mixed with melted butter, and we'll spread it on evenly on top. This will give an amazing texture to the casserole. To make it look prettier, we'll add some mild paprika. It gives a nice color to it. We'll now transfer the dish to a 350-degree preheated oven and bake until hot and bubbly, about 20 minutes. And my friends, this is our green bean, mushroom, and almond casserole. Tasty, creamy, and undeniably delicious, this is a great vegetable casserole to make. It can be served anytime, including special occasion and holidays. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!